sir. Good morning.
Morning.
So, how are you?
I'm great.
Okay. So, can you please introduce yourself?
So my name is Joe Kuncharia, founder and CEO of Axldrone, and we make drone-based business solutions all the way from the cloud-based software solutions all the way to drones and the drone-related subsystems.
Okay. And how do you oversee Axle systems in future?
Well, before I talk about the AXL systems and Axldrone, we have a very strong heritage and history on software automation. So we were in this business for about 10 years under an Action FI. And we have been providing the software automation solutions for worldwide customers. So in fact, about 30 to 35 of the Fortune 100 companies run our automation solutions today.
Okay.
So when we expand that as part of the automation software solutions, we went into integrating with a satellite communication system, radar systems, flight controls, telemetry data, and we reached a point where we thought there isn't a full ecosystem exists the way our customers are asking for. So we slowly started from our software solutions and automation platform to making our own hardware so that we can better integrate and we can provide a total solution and ecosystem to our customers worldwide. So that's where we ended up with Axldrone and Axle Systems.
So, can you please elaborate how it is connected to software? I mean, you already said it's based on cloud technology. So, can you please elaborate on that?
So if you really look at, today the biggest buzzword is AI. So AI essentially works on data. So what our system does is you cannot easily get some data. For example, if you have a bridge or a large structure or a factory or a highly sensitive areas, if you want to do surveillance and if you want to see the inspections of that very critical infrastructure, it is not very easy to get that data, meaning somebody need to climb up or you need to fly or get that. So that's what our drones are used for. So the drones is, in that sense, is just a data acquisition mechanism. It just basically gets the data. Then you need to do something valuable with the data, turning that data into an analysis and actions which you can take on. So that's what our software does. So our software has always been integrating with these systems and take the data and provide a meaningful analysis and an actionable intelligence to our customers. So again, when we reach a stage where there is not enough mechanism to acquire that data, that's when we said, okay, drone by nature has a certain physical characteristics that defines the two-dimensional plane where what you can do from the ground and you can do quite a lot from up in the air safely and in a very cost-effective way. So that's how the software actually works with our drone. Then again, the drone itself has a lot of software components in it, like the intelligent flying mechanisms and the GPS and the controls and all of that. That's part of the drone. But along with that, how does the data from the drone, we use it for the larger use of that? So that's our main area of business.
Okay, so thank you for sharing the information with us.
Sure.
So,
Thank you.
is there anything you can share?
Well, I think the industry is changing, and a lot of people are looking into how you can do the job better using drone. Again, drone is just a mechanism of getting this data, performing some work. But the drone and the payload and sensors generates a lot of data, and there is a lot more value in that data and what we can do with it, analyzing the data and providing some predictive intelligence. So that industry and that part of the segment will continue to grow, and we are very excited to be part of it.
Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.